So I'm sorry guys, I have some bad news. I absolutely hate not fulfilling a promise. I said I would announce 3 winners to you today, part of the contest for our book. Unfortunately, we didn't just do 3 winners. We drew 5 of you. What? So a couple days ago, I asked you guys to take photos, magical selfies, or just normal selfies and post them, my magical selfie, and you guys sent us thousands on our website alone, and then hashtagged a couple thousand online. So we didn't honestly get to go through every single one. We went through a lot, but there were so many photos. But at the end of this video, actually, everyone that submitted something is going to walk away with a cool little gift. Behind that red curtain is something special for everyone. We'll reveal that at the end, but for now, let's not waste any more time. Let's start with envelope number 2, shall we? You know what, before we announce this, let's do this. I'm gonna show you guys the illustration that we were putting you guys into. Besides the cover that you guys have all seen now, this is the first piece of art that you're gonna get to see from the book. And you're also gonna get a new character reveal, Rachel. So this is halfway through the book. I'm not gonna tell you what's happening, but Zach might be on a first date, kind of, with also a third wheel, Aaron. So there's Zach in the middle. There's Aaron off to the side. He's kind of upset because they were supposed to see a different movie. The new character that you're seeing for the first time is Rachel. And if those of you that actually know me in real life, Rachel is my wife. And so Rachel's a character that Zach is kind of head over heels for. And of course, what do you do on like first dates in middle school? You go see a movie or something. You can't afford dinner at that point. You can't even drive, so it's awkward. Your parents have to drop you off. All that fun stuff. So if you notice this illustration, we left a bunch of empty seats in the movie theater. That's where you guys come in. We are putting you in those empty seats. Let's get back to opening this. Now that you know the context of the illustration that everyone's going into, here's our first winner. Drum roll again. Mark Howell Paul. So here's the photo that Mark took. And here's what Mark's character is gonna look like in the book. Let's go with envelope number 3. I'm sorry if I say your names wrong. A lot of you are from other countries, and so I've never read some of these names before like this. Here's the next winner, at Iasides. Let's take a look at Ariana's photo. And we drew her up. She's sipping a Slurpee, looks like, and watching the movie intensely. Look at those eyes. She's like, whoa. Congratulations, Ariana. All right, let's do envelope number 1. Again, apologies on the names, guys. Hyderaji, congratulations, dude. We drew you up there in the top row. You got some glasses on, of course. Next up, envelope number 4. They call me Amelin, and her name is Amelin Aloon, and she is the one in the back of the theater sneaking a little popcorn from, oh, I'm not gonna show you who, because that's our next person. And of course, all these people will be getting signed copies of the book. We'll mail it out to you guys for free. It's the least we could do, besides draw you in the book. I'm kidding. The last and final person. Drum roll, please. And it's Lala. Really? Hilarious. No, the real winner is Red Tomato Lee J. This is him. He's eating popcorn, but of course the girl you just saw before, Amelin, is stealing the popcorn from him. So congratulations to the 5 of you for getting yourself drawn, illustrated into the book. I want to show a bunch of other favorites. Check this out. This kid is being held up by his sister. Also got a lot of perspective tricks, and this is a really cool one. Look at these guys. A lot of you are probably sad that you didn't get into the book, and maybe we'll get to do this for future books, but I do want to give you guys all something that you're all a part of under there. But before we get to that, I want to just shout out for 30 seconds. We're just gonna play as many photos as we can, ones that we thought were really cool. Go. I also want to shout out this other kid who we just saw his video yesterday on Twitter. Here's this cool video.
Okay, this is just a frame and this is a printer paper and that's my friend Jafura. Wow! Hi! Hashtag my magical selfie.
All right, so you've been wondering what's under there. I'm gonna show you what is under there. So what you're gonna see is something we made for you just because we knew only 5 winners were gonna get selected for the book thing, and I wanted all of you to feel like you were a part of this. So without any further ado, or whatever the phrase is, we made a mosaic, and you can't see, I'm gonna go up closer. You guys are all in this. So we've actually made one of these a long time ago when we hit like 1 million followers on Instagram. But let me show you this. When we go in, very, very close to the faces, there you are. Thousands of you. Thank you guys for all of you that participated that are now stuck in this poster forever. This is gonna be hung up in my studio office, so if you ever come over and get a tour, we'll have to find you guys in the thumbnails. It might take a couple hours, so never mind. So I have a little idea. If you wanna be featured in my next YouTube video, I'm gonna have you recreate one of my old magical videos. Here's the video I want you to try to recreate.
Oh, how about checkmate?
Nice.
What? No, that's not even a move. You can't do that. That is so unfair. You don't even know the rules. No, dude. It's all fair. Just check the rule book, man. Ugh, he just cheated. He's such a cheater. No one knows how to play chess around here.
But whether it turns out terrible or super funny, still send it to us. We might still feature it, you never know. So if you wanna see a cool feature the book can do, click there. Or if you wanna see a video about fidget spinners, suggest that one. Both are decent.